this? Oh my. Oh my. I'll have to put that on your car seat. What is this? What is that? Is that a new shirt for you? Yeah? Uh-oh. What's that?
That's so cute.
Let's see. Oh, we might have to get into these right now.
What if I just
Might have to put these sunglasses on right now, Peanut.
Peanut! Happy Easter! Happy Easter! Did the Easter Bunny come bring you a basket? You must have been a good girl.
Oh! Say it's my basket.
I know.
Let's see how these look on you. Riley, look.
You are one cool chick. Wow, baby. Look at those shades.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
She's so cute.
Oh, he fell off. He fell off, didn't he? Oh, come back on. It's a little bit big for you, but...
Show her the headbands and stuff that were in with them.
Enough hair to do these?
You want to take them all off to show them to her?
Yeah. Yeah, look
They're
at
pretty.
Here's some more.
And more headbands. She can hold them.
Oh.
We don't need to eat the headbands. And you got some sunscreen. Little fair skin.
Oh.
Look at that pretty dress.
Look at that.
Look at that pretty dress. Bless you.
And then some food. Well, what do you think?
You did pretty good, all messy.
Oh.